Hello everyone, today we have this washing machine Hoover. I will help you to solve this problem, error e20, which is a very common problem in this type of machine. And yeah, my wife yesterday, she washed some clothes and unfortunately there was a diaper inside the washing machine. Here is part of the diaper, the material that probably all these particle inside the diaper broke, and all these particles probably are stuck in the pumping system. So we're gonna check that. Here we can open here because if we open, there's gonna be still water in the system. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna close the here. We're gonna close the water here so there's no any more coming water into the system. Here is the draining pipe. We're gonna have to disconnect, make sure that there is no any more water in the system. Here is the filter of the machine, but if we open right now, because it was used yesterday when it gave the error e20, so we need to first make sure that there is no water in the system. So the error e20 in the Hoover machine, that means that the drain system somewhere is clogged, or maybe the drain pump is damaged. So my wife yesterday, she washed and there was a diaper inside by mistake, and the particles inside of the diaper here, there are little particles that somewhere probably they clog the system, so the washing machine is not able to drain the water. So now we need to check the filter that normally is here, but because it was used yesterday, the water, it should be still in the system. So if I open here, I'm gonna damage my floor in the apartment where I can empty the water before I check the filter and all the system. Disconnect the incoming house water. Probably I need to remove this clamp so all the water by gravity will drain as possible here in the bucket. Apparently there is not too much. Probably I will need to take it out now, the washing machine, and lean in an angle, probably to help to drain the water. Water is coming out. Probably I need to put the washing machine, if you can do it, a little bit higher so the water can drain by gravity. With the help of the elevation of the stairs, I was able to almost completely drain all the water from the system. So here is a filter, and here is the draining hose. So I need to check all these holes. Here are some clamps, and I need to check this hose, make sure empty, haul it out, and this is the filter here. So I need to open this tab. This is everything, even washers. coins, everything. So it's not just the type of the problem. You have, and this is smell horrible. Look, that's why the pumping is not working. For sure, this is the real reason. We have here clothes, we have coins, I don't know, material. We have also some coins, and that is very nasty over there. Also, like I said, we need to make sure after to disconnect these holes also that go into the filter. Probably there are some material over there, and for sure that will solve the problem. Here on the side there is also a hole here that needs to be checked. This probably a little bit spinning here. There is like a impeller here. Yeah, and this smell horrible. There are not any leaks here. An opening. Make sure there are no leaks here. No leaks here. And also make sure that in the draining time there, so I will do first a cycle without clothes. Now we'll proceed to test the machine. In the cycle, already open the water. Make sure that there are no leaks in the hose, especially here in the joint. And also here, once the pressure build up, make sure that there are no leaks here. And before I put in my other stuff, my drying machine in the top, I will run a cycle to make sure that there are no leaks in the bottom, in the filter. There are no leaks here in this pipe that is part of the house, or leaks somewhere else. So make sure you run a cycle before you put, if you have in a difficult place, make sure to check before put everything back. So probably I will run this cycle, which is 39 minutes, which is not too long, so it will test. I think this is the, yeah, I have here 14 minutes, so that's pretty sure. I think that will be enough. Click and play. Normally the error was given, the pump, it was trying to drain the water, and after trying the machine, it was not able to do it, and then when the machine was not able to drain the water, it gave the code. And right now it's working because this hose is moving, so I think now it's working, the drain, that sound it was not doing before. Yeah, now it's working. The machine before, it was just staying in a sound, like struggling sound. Now it's working pretty good. So thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you, and see you next time.